Hello students, welcome to Medical 360. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Uttarakhand NEET 2026, wherein we'll be talking about 2025 versus 2026 seats, qualified students, management quota and NRI quota closing ranks. Students, the numbers have changed. Imagine करिए एक स्टेट में MBBS सीट्स बढ़ रही हैं और उसी टाइम नीट क्वालिफाई करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स की संख्या कम हो रही है. नेचुरली फर्स्ट थॉट क्या होगा? तो क्या 2026 में उत्तराखंड MBBS एडमिशन ईजियर हो जाएगा? आंसर इज पॉसिबली बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी बट नॉट ऑटोमेटिकली ईजियर एडमिशंस, बिकॉज सीट काउंट एक पार्ट है, कोटा टाइप, डोमिसाइल, मैनेजमेंट सीट्स, NRI सीट्स, कॉलेज प्रेफरेंस एंड ऑल इंडिया कॉम्पिटिशन इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है. इस वीडियो में हम उत्तराखंड नीट 2026 को नंबर्स के थ्रू डिकोड करेंगे. 2025 के कंपैरिजन में कितने स्टूडेंट्स रजिस्टर्ड, अपीयर्ड एंड क्वालिफाइड हुए, MBBS सीट्स कितनी बढ़ी और 2025 में उत्तराखंड के मेजर प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस का ऑल इंडिया मैनेजमेंट कोटा और NRI कोटा क्लोजिंग ऑल इंडिया रैंक कहां तक गया. बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो आप नंबर्स को सिर्फ देखोगे नहीं, you will understand how to use them while planning your 2026 counseling strategy. One number cannot predict your college. अब मान लीजिए आपकी नीट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 3 लाख है. क्या सिंपली उत्तराखंड में सीट्स बढ़ गई हैं सुन के बोल सकते हैं कि प्राइवेट MBBS कंफर्म है? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. आपको चेक करना होगा कॉलेज का कोटा क्या है, प्रीवियस क्लोजिंग रैंक क्या था, फी अफोर्डेबल है या नहीं, एंड 2026 में सीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसे चेंज हुई है. इसलिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्लोजिंग रैंक को गारंटी नहीं, बेंचमार्क की तरह आप लोगों को यूज करना है और उसको समझना है. करियर्स 360 नीट कॉलेज प्रेडिक्टर के थ्रू रैंक के बेसिस पर पॉसिबल कॉलेजेस चेक किए जा सकते हैं. काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस के लिए 8130376334 पर नीट सेंड कर सकते हैं. आज हम प्रेडिक्शन से पहले डेटा का लॉजिक समझेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, बिफोर मूविंग हेड, लेट मी थैंक SRM यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर स्पॉन्सरिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. नाउ, हाउ टू यूज दिस एनालिसिस? इस वीडियो को 3 क्वेश्चंस के साथ देखिए. कंपटीशन पूल में क्या चेंज हुआ, सीट अवेलेबिलिटी में क्या चेंज हुआ, एंड 2025 क्लोजिंग रैंक्स हमें 2026 के लिए क्या इंडिकेशन देते हैं. बट रिमेंबर, last year rank is not this year's cutoff. Cutoff changes with number of seats, number of candidates, preference behavior, fee, quota and counseling round. So this analysis is meant to help you build a smarter college list, not to promise a seat at one exact all India rank. Now, the first major trend. Official NTA data के according, in 2025, if you look over here, in 2025, the number of registered candidates were 21,000. In 2026, the number of registered candidates decreased to 20,344. The changes of 656 students that decreased. Percentage change is of about minus 3.12%. Talking about the number of candidates appeared in 2025, they were 20,329. And in 2026, the number of appeared candidates from Uttarakhand, they were 18,001. So there was a reduction of 2,328 students while appearing for NEET 2026. A change of 11.45% reduction basically. Qualified students. In 2025, the number of qualified students were 11,207. In 2026, number of qualified students were 10,126. So there is a decrease of 1,080 students in qualification for NEET 2026 eligibility. Percentage change, that means there is reduction of 9.64%. Fewer qualified candidates means lower cutoff? Not necessarily. For Uttarakhand domicile based state seats, a smaller state candidate pool can be favorable. But All India Management Quota is open to a wider national candidate pool. So Uttarakhand's own qualified candidate decline cannot directly predict management quota closing ranks. That's a very important distinction you need to understand. Now, second big trend, and that is seats. Talking about the comparison between 2025 and 2026, for government seats, if I talk about, there is no change, zero change. But in private seats, they actually increased from 700 to 850, a change of 150 new additional seats in private. Talking about the total seats, in 2025 they were 1325, but in 2026 they are 1475, a change of plus 150 seats. Students qualified in 2025, they were 11,207, as I already talked about, and students who qualified in 2026, they are 10,187. So there is reduction, basically a difference of 1,080 basically. So dear ones, government intake stays flat in this comparison while the growth is coming from the private side. Net change is plus 150 MBBS seats, and at the same time minus 1080 qualified Uttarakhand candidates. That sounds favorable, and directionally it can increase the opportunity. But don't convert this into 150 seats badi, so cutoff definitely 150 ranks gir jayegi. Cutoff don't work like that. Private seats can have different quotas, yes, and very different fee structures. Remember one particular thing. The 1475 seat NMC figure excludes AIIMS Rishikesh because NMC's 2026 metrics excludes institutes of national importance. AIIMS Rishikesh separately reports an annual MBBS intake of 125 seats. So don't mix AIIMS seats into HNBU, MU or private management analysis. Now talking about Uttarakhand MBBS All India Management Quota Closing Rank for 2025. So this is probably the most useful slide for students targeting private MBBS. These are 2025 Round 3 All India Management or Open Quota Closing All India ranks. Talking about Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences, Dehradun Private College, All India Closing Rank for 2025, it is 1,96,625. Talking about Shri Guru Ram Rai Institute of Medical and Health Sciences and Shri Mahant Indresh Hospital, Dehradun, the closing rank for it was for 2025 6,18,348. Third, Gautam Buddha Chikitsa Mahavidyalaya, Dehradun. It is also a private college, and the All India closing rank for 2025, it was 6,90,510. Now students, don't simply conclude ऑल इंडिया रैंक 6.9 लाख है तो 2026 में गौतम बुद्ध डेफिनेटली मिल जाएगा. इंस्टेड अंडरस्टैंड द हायरार्की. इन 2025 राउंड 3 HIMS Dehradun closed much earlier, around 1.95 lakh, indicating substantially stronger demand in this particular quota. SGRR extended beyond 6 lakh. Gautam Buddha extended close to 6.9 lakh. That gives you a relative demand pattern among the three colleges. Now, remember one thing. These are AIR, All India Rank, closing ranks under All India Management / Open Quota. This is not the government college 15% All India quota through MCC. All India, but completely different seat route. Now talking about NRI's quota closing rank. Over here, what you can see is 2025 round 3 NRI reference closing All India ranks for Shri Guru Ram Rai Institute of Medical and Health Sciences and Shri Mahant Indresh Hospital, Dehradun. The closing rank was 12 lakhs 5,648, and for Gautam Buddha Chikitsa Mahavidyalaya, Dehradun, it was 12 lakhs 95,398. At first glance, students क्या बोलेंगे? 12 लाख ऑल इंडिया रैंक तक MBBS? Yes. NRI seats can extend to much larger all India rank numbers, but there is an important catch. NRI admission is not simply low rank है तो NRI seat ले लो. You must satisfy the NRI eligibility or document requirements and fee structure is substantially different from ordinary state seats. Also remember, the closing rank tells us only where the final seat closed in that specific round and quota in 2025. So, it does not tell us whether the same college will close at 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs or 13 lakhs in 2026. That's why I use these ranks for range building, not guarantee building. So Uttarakhand NEET 2026 का overall picture interesting है. Official NTA data says 1080 fewer candidates qualified from Uttarakhand, and the current NMC metric shows 1475 government plus private MBBS seats excluding AIIMS. So students, on paper opportunity has improved, but your personal admission probability depends on your All India rank, domicile, quota, category, college preference and budget. For management quota, students don't use Uttarakhand qualified candidate numbers alone because the All India open pool matters. For NRI candidates, eligibility and affordability becomes equally important. And for every student, 2025 closing rank is a reference point, not a 2026 promise. At the current check, HNBUMUS website is now surfacing NEET UG 2026 Uttarakhand State Centralized Counseling. So, final 2026 seat distribution and round-wise data should always be matched with the live official counseling notices. Careers 360 NEET कॉलेज प्रेडिक्टर का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आप लोगों के लिए अवेलेबल है. You can just click on it and just have an idea about the ranks and the colleges corresponding to them. काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस के लिए 8130376334 पर नीट सेंड करें एंड बिफोर मेकिंग योर प्राइवेट कॉलेज लिस्ट कंपेयर द रैंक प्लस कोटा plus fees together because cutoff alone is only half the story.